Friends, today I'm here with a new topic, 7 chakras and their functions. First chakra is Mooladhara chakra. Mooladhara chakra is also known as root chakra, and it is responsible for stability, survival and grounding. Whatever the stability you want in your life, it comes from Mooladhara chakra. If it is balanced, your life will be stable. You will be free from all the insecurities and all the fear. Second, sacral chakra. Sacral chakra is also known by the name Swadhisthana chakra. This chakra is responsible for creativity, emotions and pleasures. Whatever pleasure feelings you are having, this is just because of the sacral chakra. If you are having unpleasant experiences, this may be due to the imbalances of this sacral chakra. Third is solar plexus chakra. It is also known as Manipur chakra. It is responsible for power, confidence and willpower. If your solar plexus chakra is balanced, you will be powerful. You will feel confident. You will have the willpower to do something, to start something new in your life. But if it is imbalanced, you will lack doing something. You will not be able to speak confidently. You will feel less energy. You will not be powerful. You will not have the willpower to start something new. So balance of this chakra is very essential. Fourth is heart chakra. Heart chakra is also known as Anahat chakra. Anahat chakra is responsible for love, compassion and balance. Whatever balance you are having in your life, your health and body, whatever you are balancing, your personal life or your professional life, this is all because of this heart chakra. If there are some certain imbalances which you are facing, this can be due to the imbalance of Anahat chakra. Fifth is throat chakra. Throat chakra is also known as Visuddhi chakra. It is responsible for communication, truth and expression. Whatever you are able to communicate, are you able to express yourself or you are becoming over expressive? These are all because of the throat chakra's imbalance. It is very necessary to balance your chakras, because if you will not balance your throat chakra, you will not be able to express your thoughts. You will become introvert. Sixth is third eye chakra, that is Ajna. Ajna is responsible for intuition, insight and perception, the clarity of your mind. You have to be clear what you are responsible for, what goals you are having. These are all identified with the help of third eye chakra. If it is imbalanced, you will not get clarity. Your mind will always be confused. Seventh is crown chakra, that is Sahasra. Sahasra is responsible for higher consciousness and spirituality. Whatever the spiritual knowledge you have to understand, or on the spiritual path you want to exceed, it will be possible only when your crown chakra is balanced. So these are the short description about various chakras which I told you today. I will discuss more about these chakras in later videos. Till then, thank you.